only 10 years old. Today I'm going to tell you a very special story full of incredible adventures and a little secret I learned at the end. This story is about Lilly, who went on a very long trip and ended up learning something magical. And I think you'll want to know too. But before we dive into this adventure, you know what would be really cool? If we could share this story with everyone. So how about a deal? If you think this story is as cool as I do, ask your dad, mom, or whoever looks after you to click on that cute little button that says like, follow our channel so you never miss our stories, and share it with all their friends. That way, we can have a story party together. Are you ready? Come on, join me on this magical adventure. And remember, there's a surprise at the end that you don't want to miss. Once upon a time, there was a little girl called Lilly with golden hair and eyes full of curiosity who was about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. She and her parents, Mr. and Mrs. Thompson, were going to Spain, a country of ancient castles, golden sandy beaches, and vibrant festivals. They had been planning this trip for months, and Lilly couldn't wait to see the flamenco dancers up close and taste real paella. When they finally arrived in Spain, Lilly was amazed. The streets of Seville were like nothing she had ever seen, full of people talking fast and laughing, their voices dancing in the air like music. One day, while strolling through a busy market, Lilly saw a souvenir stall that glistened in the sun. Without thinking, she ran towards the stall to take a closer look at the sparkling key rings and colorful bracelets. She picked up a bracelet and turned it over in her hands, her eyes shining with the simple beauty of the object. When she looked up again, a wave of panic hit her. She no longer saw her parents. Lilly spun around in circles, her heart beating fast, as she called out for them. But the sea of strangers gave no sign of Mr. and Mrs. Thompson. Lilly tried to call for help, but the words she knew made no sense to the people passing by. Please, she said, the only word for help she knew, but it was as if she was speaking from a different world. It was then that a boy with a dog called Javier noticed her distress. He didn't speak English, but something in Lilly's eyes spoke directly to his heart. He touched her arm and, with a gesture, asked if she was lost. Lilly nodded, tears filling her eyes. Javier took her hand and led her to a policeman, speaking rapidly in Spanish. Lilly realized how important it was to be able to speak like him. Words were keys that could open so many doors that could have prevented her panic and fear. With the help of the policeman and Javier, Lilly finally reunited with her parents, who had been searching frantically for her. The reunion was full of tight hugs and promises never to part again in such a busy place. Lilly learned a valuable lesson that day. She realized that speaking another language wasn't just a school subject. It was a bridge to other people and cultures. As soon as she returned home, she insisted on learning Spanish. With every new word she learned, she felt she was connecting more with the world and its wonders. Lilly's adventure became a story she told her friends, not only as an exciting tale of a journey, but also as a reminder of the importance of connecting with other people, no matter where they are. And as she learned Spanish, she didn't just prepare for her next trip. She opened her heart to new friendships, adventures, and dreams wherever life took her. Lilly, a girl who loves exploring, had an adventure in Spain and learned that speaking different languages is awesome. It's not just school stuff. It's like a magic key to making new friends from all over the world. When she got separated from her parents, she felt scared, but then a new friend and his doggie helped her out. Lilly found out that learning Spanish isn't just for traveling, but it also opens her heart to fun and amazing adventures with buddies anywhere she goes. Hey kids, if you think making friends all over the world is as cool as Lilly does, ask your mom, dad, or a grown-up to help you click that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this story with all your friends. Let's spread the magic of learning together.